Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, we are sitting at quite the showdown here on Tesla, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from previously, but I talked about this red line here right up around that 739-ish area, give or take a little bit, and you can see that at the close, the price has essentially closed right at 739. Which brings about the very valid question of, is there a breakout about to happen on Friday? No, don't get me wrong, just because the price closed right at a level of resistance or near a level of resistance doesn't mean that guaranteed for sure it's going to be broken. My core point here, it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational question to be throwing out there and wondering, hey, is a breakout coming? Is this getting ready to work its way through? So a whole lot of people are going to be watching right around that 738, 739 mark. I mean, even if you want to call it the 740 mark. But point here being, that red line is representing the top part of that little miniature channel here, which you can see today, the price was just kind of bumping its head around it several times. So yes, that level is very stubborn. Yes, that level appears to be very difficult to break through, but if the price can actually break through it, then that could certainly, produce some good upwards buying pressure, even if it is just some sort of, knee-jerk reaction. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, the price has actually been doing a fantastic job of just slowly, if you envision that purple line there as a wave and then the price is a surfer, you can see that the price has done a great job. The surfer has done a great job just maintaining above that wave, which is what also makes that breakout area very important, because basically the wave has now approached that area of resistance. So is the surfer going to be able to maintain on top of the wave and break up through there? Again, that's just another interesting dynamic. Now, if the price does break down through that purple line, does that imply everything's destroyed? Absolutely not. I mean, you still have that, level down there at 710, or even if the price went down to 710, that would still be giving the price plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. But there are definitely a lot of interesting dynamics going on here. But let's see if Tesla can indeed get the break up through that area or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.